Hello guys, welcome to Smart Horizon. I'm Bhavna Chawla. So here is our next step. In this step, we will do the outline of Ganesha and we will fill colors in the background. So for outlining first, I'll take black color, black acrylic color and a bowl with some water and a brush for outlining. I'm using it uh, two number two number brush here. You can even use 1 or 0 or 3 according to the width of the outline you want to draw. It's a round brush. For outlining, we'll always use a round brush. And a rough cloth should be with you. I'll dip my brush into the color. I'm doing this because I don't want extra color to be on my brush. Then I'll be doing the outline. So this is our outline and now we will add color in the background. For that we will take blue sand color or rangoli color. We use it to make rangolis and fevicol. We use fevicol to stick the sand to the canvas, that is the background, the surface. So now what I exactly need is I want blue color to be filled on the borders of the canvas and I'll mix it with white in the middle so it will shade down. So here is our white color, white rangoli color, blue rangoli color and the fevicol. Now we will pour the fevicol onto the canvas on the surface that on which we want the sand to be sticked. So this is our fevicol and we'll pour it on the canvas. I am starting it from the corner and spreading it all over. You can even use a brush or your finger to stick it completely to the canvas. Here I am taking brush. Else you can even use your finger as I have said earlier. So now we will start pouring color with our hand onto the canvas, like I am showing it to you, or I can even use the cap in which the color is there. And after pouring the color, I am tapping it slightly like this, so that the color completely sticks to the Fevicol or the surface or the background you are taking. I am taking the canvas. So this is the result that I wanted, blue on the borders, and we'll now let it dry for a day, and we'll be coloring Ganpati in the next session. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.